Social protest movements. 9th class social bits. Russian Revolution occurred in 1917, 1911, 1815, 1947. Correct answer 1917. Liberty, equality and fraternity were slogans of which revolution? English Revolution, American Revolution, French Revolution, Russian Revolution. Correct answer French Revolution. Dash is not a socialist. Thomas More, Saint Simon, Karl Marx, Charles Ten. Correct answer Charles Ten. Communist Party of India was established in 1905, 1947, 1920, 1950. Correct answer 1920. Capitalism means private ownership, public ownership, joint stock companies, workers control. Correct answer private ownership. Socialism means public control, private control, both A and B, none. Correct answer public control. American follow the following system: communism, capitalism, socialism, liberalism. America followed the following system: communism, capitalism, socialism, liberalism. Correct answer capitalism. China followed the following system: socialism, capitalism, communism, none. Correct answer socialism. In which year French Revolution was held? 1795, 1793, 1789, 1791. Correct answer 1789. What was the period of Luddism? 1910 to 11, 1811 to 17, 1611 to 17, 1910 to 1915. Correct answer 1811 to 17. In which year rights of men were declared in England? 1790, 1791, 1794, 1816. Correct answer 1791. Who was the first socialist in the world? Plato, Aristotle, Karl Marx, Socrates. Correct answer Plato. Name the socialist who advocated right to work. Robert Owen, Louis Blanc, Karl Marx, Aristotle. Correct answer Louis Blanc. Civil rights movement was held USA, France, Russia, China. Correct answer USA. In 1918, which country provided the right to vote to women? France, England, China, Japan. Correct answer, England. If the first wave of feminism was focused on right to vote, the second wave of feminism was focused on education and health, industrialization, investment, for exploration of markets. Correct answer, education and health. We need workers' unity without kings and capitalism, said by Karl Marx, Engels, Philip, Saint-Simon. Correct answer, Karl Marx. Who called for building cooperative villages? General Franco, Babeuf, Owen, Karl Marx. Correct answer, Owen. Work for those who had lost their jobs because of the coming of missionaries, said by Engels, Babeuf, Owen, General Ned Ludd. Correct answer, General Ned Ludd. French Revolution had failed to fulfill the ideas of liberty, equality and fraternity, said by Babeuf, Luther King, Aristotle, Fisher. Correct answer, Babeuf. Declaration of Rights of Men was prepared by French revolutionaries in 1791, 1780, 1750, 1789. Correct answer, 1791. Natural resources and factories of production both are under the control of people belongs to the following doctrine: parliamentary, socialism, dictatorship, monarchism. Correct answer, socialism. Their system necessarily leads to unfair and exploitative concentrations of wealth and power. Capitalistic, socialistic, mixed economic, none of these. Correct answer, capitalistic. In Britain, Corn Laws means prevented the imports of cheaper food, import of corn, export of corn, none. Correct answer, prevented the import of cheaper food. Dash is the main weapon to abolish social evil from Indian society: education, struggle, revolution, robbery. Correct answer, education. Which Indian Prime Minister supports the socialism? Morarji Desai, Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Charan Singh. Correct answer, Nehru. During the time of Industrial Revolution, the people dash hours worked in England factories: 10 to 12 hours, 9 to 12 hours, 15 to 18 hours, 10 to 13 hours. Correct answer, 15 to 18 hours. Dash revolution was the sources of great inspiration for Indian nationalists: Bloodless Revolution, American Revolution, Russian Revolution, French Revolution. Correct answer, Russian Revolution. Production is a family, said by Friedrich Engels, Karl Marx, Luther, Saint-Simon. Correct answer, Karl Marx. breed or food rights were held in 1795, 1720, 1750, 1700? Correct answer 1795.